Yo, what is up, guys? I'm just here in Des Moines. Got to see my best friend, and we're just in Des Moines for our service learning. I'm here with Legs, and Legs, you want to say something?
Yo, one love.
Yo, what up, Johnny? One love.
One love.
Alright, she's getting mad. Guys, so I was down at the end of the spillway like 20 minutes ago, and it's absolutely pouring out here and lightning. But we were down here and we saw like 50 gar, and they're 3 foot long. So I said, let's go get the poles. We went and got some bait, and we're heading down here. We just got back from mushroom hunting, and we found a morel. It was like the size of my hand. Yeah, evergreen. Look at this. Look at this spillway. Just show them the spillway. That spillway is moving like crazy. And when we got down there, it's like a big pond. And there is tons and tons of gar and all kinds of stuff. It looked like a couple of walleyes down here. Probably 10, 15 pounds. We just got down here, and there is all, I don't know, you guys probably can't even see this, but you can see it. There's like 3 of them right there. Have it hooked up. Got a bass. Oh my goodness. Oh, that didn't. Yeah. I got you. How heavy?
I don't know. It's in the mud.
Oh, that's a 2-pounder. Yes. Very good. Catch and release. Yeah, so we're gonna have to go back and get some bait and then come out later. But I don't know. Right now they're just not biting for some reason. I mean, they are literally. I can see 5 of them right below me. They won't take it. Carp, everything. Alright guys, so we are running out of bait, and they're not really biting it anyways, but well, we've had some bites. None of them really take it. I mean, I literally put that right on top of his head. Hey, I don't know if you guys can see those, but there's hundreds of them in here. Oh, he bit it. Oh, did you see that? Last cast, dude. Yo guys, so just got back and I am soaked. My legs are soaked. And we didn't really catch anything, just caught that bass. Mom hooked into a gar, but never brought it up. And honestly, it was really fun though. It was pouring, and I don't know. Hoping we can go back out tomorrow morning, get some better bait. I don't know, try some minnows next time. I found a dead minnow on the ground, and they bit it like right away, so maybe go get some minnows tomorrow or something, but I don't know. It's good to be home. That's way better than studying, I guess. So, yeah, I found a ton of mushrooms today. Come show you guys these. So when I said a ton, I meant a couple, but this one is big. And, yeah, they look pretty good. Got some nice yellows, some nice grays. And we're going to be eating pretty good. So I'm all dried off now. Just got done and out of the shower, checking for ticks because we went out fishing the other day and I had ticks on me, and I'm not having that happen again. But oh my goodness, go! What the world is wrong with people? Right now we are at Men's Warehouse, pulling in the parking lot because I have to go get fitted for a suit for my Aunt Alyssa and her fiance's Rob wedding, and that's coming up really quick. It's up in the mountains, so I'm like beyond stoked would be an understatement. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on and get it ordered.
A what?
All right, yo, so that was kind of a stupid idea, like looking back on it. That was probably really dumb, and I'm probably going to feel that in the morning. But honestly, that was kind of fun. And Dick's had a hit tracks, and I didn't know that. And I was still hitting balls like 300 feet with a rubber ball, and they're coming off at like 86. So it's pretty fun. But I'm ready for tomorrow. 2 doubleheader tomorrow. Super stoked, and hoping we can take 2.
Oh my goodness. That turtle.
All right, came back again. Nothing. A snapping turtle. It was kind of scary, but that's about it.
Oh, hi. Oh, yes. Hi.
All right, so school is out, which means the vlogs are back. I am stoked. I know Dutchie's excited. Oh, yes. She loves your belly rubbed. But, oh, yes. Yeah, it's exciting, which means vlogs are coming back. I'm so sorry it's been over a month. And I don't know. I was just super busy with school. This was my hardest year of school, like, ever, I think. But, Dutchie's definitely excited that I'm home. Maybe not. Saturday, AJ has 4 free tickets to the Yankees game, so we're going to go to that. And I haven't been to a Yankees game in like 5 years, so I'm really excited for that. But yeah, so that suit I tried on, it fits really well and everything, but I just don't know if I'm going to lose weight by the wedding, which is my plan. I'm hoping to drop 20 pounds by the 4th of July. So we're going to see what happens, but I'm going to go back and get it retailored. Hopefully I can be 10 pounds down in the next couple weeks. So we'll see what happens. No secret, I've gotten out of shape, and I need to get back in shape. So I'm working hard to do that. And I've already started losing a couple pounds. So hoping I can get to the 10 pounds in the next couple weeks. But we're going to see what happens. Get it retailored. Still need a date to the wedding, though. I got to send an invitation in like a week. So trying to find one. But thank you guys so much for watching. Seriously, though, it means a lot. And it means a lot that you guys are sticking with me. I noticed I had 83 subscribers 2 weeks ago, and I still have 83 subscribers, and I haven't posted in a month. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate the support, and I really appreciate you guys continuing to watch. And we'll see you next time. Peace.